The Carrera Digital 132nd Porsche 917k. Gesipa? I'm sorry about that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Racing team. Number 54. Get to the point of why I got the car. Because it reminded me of the cars that I used to see back when I was a kid, racing slot cars. Like these exotic race cars. I wasn't even sure if they actually made these cars and raced them anywhere real in the world. I mean, I didn't know. I didn't see that. And we barely even saw NASCAR on the TV back then, so I surely didn't see any of this stuff. You just catch glimpses of it, like a leopard or something, you know what I'm saying? Or a panther at night, and be like, what is that? Does it really happen? So I was intrigued. I wanted it. And I love the kind of Charlie Brown written numbers on it and the 70s look. And, put you through a light cycle here. It does have headlights. It's got Xeon headlights, actually. And, as you would imagine, it is fast. Incredibly fast. Fastest car I have in my whole collection. By a lot. Not by a little, but by a lot. And, I'm never sure about how these cars are going to be. When you look at them in the box, you're not, some of them, like I said, because I've been fooled, some of them don't handle and drive as well as I thought they would, and other ones, I never thought they would be as much fun to drive as they are. But this one here took no time to lay the video out, light racing for you, put the lights on for you at night, because it won't come off the track hardly. So now when it does come off the track, it really comes off the track in a big way. But, I mean, the thing flies, and it just absolutely sticks. It's on rails. It's one of the best. I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, I was just that blown away, that impressed by it. I want more of these things, because if you're going to have friends come over, this is the car. As you can see, 5.1 seconds. That's a lot faster than any other car I got in the collection so far. So there you go, from the ScottieDTV International Raceway, the Porsche 917k. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the race team. Number 54. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.